Good afternoon. I thought I'd walk you through preparing your child's folder for the week. So I have my blue folder, and your child should have put some things in the completed section. Look through their work and see what's completed. If it's completed, remove it from the folder. This is a 4 sheet from a while ago. Oh, I notice I didn't finish the 2 sheet. So that can stay in the folder to work on. So if you have extra time, you can ask your child to do it. My 3 sheet, that's completed. So that can be taken out of the folder. That 2 sheet, I'm just going to put back in. There are many letter sheets that your children have, and if they finished it, great. If not, look at it, check it, and put it in the work on if it's not finished. If it is and it's in the completed, you can put it to the side of your pile that is completed. So it's important to go through your child's folder every Monday and kind of clean house. Now, looking at the kindergarten kit, the first section is writing. And so I would like you to take out the I Can Write My Name with a sheet and put it inside your blue folder work on side. Then we'll flip. We're going to unclip the papers that are in the science kit. Take out the color word sheet that has blue, purple, black, white. Put it in your folder. Reclip what's left in science and slide that back into the pocket. We're still going to work on sorting, so your child should have their shells this week that were in the materials bag. And I'd like you to make sure that they have those because we're going to continue to sort in different ways. Then you should have show me what you know about 6. And on the back side, show me what you know about 7. We're going to put that in there. Remember, your sheet might be different from mine. In social studies, and oh, it looks like Mrs. Smith misplaced it. So that happens. I will get it off of my desk and I will post the sheet that you will need. And then I'll remember to put it back in the yellow section. In the word work section, I would like you to take this sheet. If it is not already in the center of your blue folder, I put a second copy of Write 4 Ways. It's really important that this gets into the plastic that was in the center of the blue folder because your child will use that sheet over and over and over. So we want to make sure that gets in there, and I'll put my word work packet back. I turn the page. In reading this week, we are going to use the Zany Zoo book. So as I unclip the pages, there are 1, 2 pages. Your child is going to cut apart this book with me. Actually, I take that back. They're not going to cut it apart because of the title page, but we are going to color this book and we're going to read it together as a class. So that needs to go in there. Feel free to clip it together if that'll make it easier, and put the rest of the language art sheets back into the reading. They'll also need from the back their sorting circle. So now your blue folder is packed except for your regular supplies such as glue, pencils, crayons, their Play-Doh, their rice and sand bins, which they've been told to only use when I tell them, and your shells. All of these sheets will be posted in the Monday Master Slides in case you need to review them, plus that social studies that, oh, I can totally connect to each one of you. Keeping track of everything, sometimes things get pulled out by accident. So, keeping it all together, if you have any questions, please email us. Thank you for all of your support.